Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're missing the chat again. Streamlabs is just messing me up, man. We're ready to go. Who do we have first in the chat? We got Bender first in the chat. Bender, Kombu, Bender, Honorarium, Frank, Nick F. We get, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. Frank, Kombu, Johnny Quest, Honorarium, Kalito, Honorarium. Where do we go here? Kalito, Honorarium, Kombu, Giovanni, Kombu, Honor. We've got Suzuki, Honor, Giovanni, Honor, Giovanni, Kalito, Kombu, Biggable, Giovanni, Honorarium, Kalito, Giovanni, Honorarium, Kombu. Kombu. Thank you very much, Kombu. I see you. Thank you very much for the mustache, Kombu. Thank you. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Honorarium, Moji, Giovanni, Jibbos, baby, Honorarium, and Kombu. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We have AMC at the top left-hand side of the screen. It is sitting down 0.72% today, $4.85. Touching $4.62 this morning, bouncing back a little bit as Adam Aaron is running his mouth out on X saying how great the earnings report is going to be. Shiba Inu coin, 980 points per coin, down 1.61%. GameStop, 1434. Bitcoin, $52,094. I am telling you, the support line at 51,700 is phenomenal. 51,700 is crazy support over the last couple of days here, guys. Check this out. Tabbing it here, couldn't fall. 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 Bitcoin support at $51,700 is crazy strong. The Nasdaq trying to bounce its way back. Nasdaq bounced back at 0.08% lower today. AMC 484, GameStop 1435, Dogecoin 8.5 cents, Ethereum $2,789. Ethereum looking good, man. Shiba Inu coin, $9.79. Bitcoin, $52,074 right now. You got the SPY sitting at 502, 433 in the QQQ. Mullen Auto, man, a Mullen Auto is up 15%. I wouldn't touch it with a 59.5. I'd rather touch the Grinch before I touch Mullen Auto. Sundial sitting at $1.47. Netflix sitting at $5.88. iCraft Mining, $2.17. MPW, $3.78. MPW back down about 2% on the day today. Tesla 202, back above the 200 mark. Amazon $170, Apple $183. But we're gonna watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen because, of course, the volatility is in full swing. Honorarium, thank you very much for the super chat. Honorarium says, "Say it with me now. Say it with me now. Say it with me now." Coin market cap. Honorarium, man, I've been watching all morning long. I don't see it on there yet, which means it should be within the next 24 to 36 hours. Okay, I think Honorarium is, submitted all of the stuff, paperwork, invoice, all that stuff yesterday, and they said within 24 to 48 hours, right? It is not listed. Shib with hat. Remember we were looking at that one a couple days ago? Shib with hat is now listed on CoinMarketCap. So Honorarium, soon to be seen among these cryptocurrencies here. Now this is the crazy part, man. Just look at all these cryptos here. Look at the volume on them. 32 million, 9 million. 264,000, 366,000, 2,000,000, 100,000, 35,000, 1.5 million, 400,000, 200,000, 200,000. Guys, look, I don't know. You guys can't see a thing. All of those right there. Now, I don't know if CoinMarketCap is helping drive that volume or not. But dude, if Honorarium sees volume remotely similar to that, it is going to soar in price. I mean, Honorarium is currently doing, what? $1,200 over the last 24 hours. The lowest on this list is $35,000. So, yeah, man, if Honorarium gets anywhere near that type of volume, if CoinMarketCap helps boost it at all, Honorarium could see a huge spike up. Suzuki says, Clay, bro, Dark Boshi, Giovanni Lewis, and BBC, Kalido, Frank, Bender, Nick F, all the Clay bros. What's up? What's going on, Suzuki? Oh, yes. Let's see. All these dog tokens. If you haven't got honorarium, you best FOMO soon. Now, dead serious, though. If you guys don't have any honorarium and you are thinking about getting into some honorarium, if it does get listed on CoinMarketCap, here's my expectations. So best utilize them the way that you see fit. The people who are buying honorarium right now, mainly people in this live stream. People in this live stream, maybe Dark Bro's friends, whatever. People he knows, and so on. They are actually committed to holding, which is why you have such a strong... I mean, this is a very strong price graph. Yes, it's sitting at 158,000, but dude, you can click on elephant here, right? Elephants. There's no way elephants got 127 million. I don't know what this is. Search 1 million, right? You'll probably click on this graph tomorrow, and Search will be back down to a $50,000 market cap. You see it time and time and time again. Honorarium may not have ever jumped up to a $5-10 million market cap and then faded back down to nothing. But it has had a very strong, slow night. And it is very likely that they aren't going to be as committed to holding honorarium as you and I are committed to holding honorarium. So if they get in, they might get right back out, and you might have a few of them that continue holding. But you might see some increased volatility both to the upside and the downside. Let's see. Honorarium, only honorarium. There you go, man. I like it. Clay, new layer 1 crypto, a Dimension, DYM. Let's check it out. We need to create a new dog-themed token, Ozod 101 Dalmatians. There you go. Frank, man, that might be a good one. Ozod 101 Dalmatians. I like it. Clay, I ain't got no friends. Dark Bro, join the group. Does anybody really have... Jose, what's up, brother? I just got on here. Why is the market down today? Jose, overall market is bouncing back today. The NASDAQ is actually bouncing back. A lot of stuff was negative this morning, and I don't know if there was an economic release or not. If you're talking about crypto coming back down today, it's just unable to break resistance levels. I don't think there's anything negative in terms of cryptocurrency news, but you've got Shib hitting that 1,000 point per coin mark again, getting rejected off that 1,000 point per coin mark again. You got Bitcoin, man, testing 53,000, getting rejected on the 53,000 level. So to me, it's just a technical rejection on crypto. Overall market, it is bouncing back nicely. I don't know what caused these gains this morning here. Usually news comes out at 8:30 in the morning, so I don't know if there's no after hours trading there. Let's see if we get anything here. A little volatility at 8:30 this morning, so you may have had an economic release that drove prices a little bit lower. Maybe some payroll or employment data. Employment data usually comes out on a Friday. Let's see. Let's see if we've added anything there. Oh, you guys keep... Hold on. Hold, please. All right. Give me today. Earlier today. All right, so you had some producer price indexes like the consumer price index. It is inflation data, and that would have come out at 8:30 this morning along with building permits and housing starts. So building permits and housing starts both falling, which means, okay, that the housing market is continuing to contract. Not good news for a robust housing market. The producer price index increased, which means prices are more expensive for producers, for these manufacturers out there. Increasing inflation, bad. Decreasing housing market, bad. So both of those things combined to most likely send the market lower this morning, and that's why you're seeing a little bit of a pullback right there. I mean, dude, look. maybe somebody said something that I don't know about. Maybe something's going on that I don't know about. But at the end of the day, you got to look at the data. You got to look at what's out there. We know that's available. So that's my best guess as to why prices are moving lower. Dude, you're going to go read articles that say that is definitely why prices are lower. But I have a really hard time believing everybody invested is 100% logical, and everybody invested is sitting there watching these releases every single day. That part's confusing to me. There's so many people that are invested that couldn't care less about the housing market contraction and producer price indexes increasing a little bit. But here we are, watching the market fall down and then bounce back a little bit. I only have internet friends. Hey, hold on, man. Join the group. Join the group. I got Nick F. Nick F is up in the top of the chat. I don't even know if he's still in here right now. Nick F is a real life friend, but he's here on the internet. And crap, dude. I think maybe the last time I saw him was around Christmas. So, dude, isn't it crazy? Like, friends. You know, it's cool when you see your friends in high school. You get to see them every day. You get to hang out, man. It's awesome. You see your friends in college. You get to live with them. You get to hang out with them. Awesome, man. Then you guys start working. Where do the friends go when you start working? Do you make work friends? What if you work at a place that doesn't have very many people that work there? Are you supposed to make work friends and just, you know, hang out at work all day? Like, what do you do? I don't have any friends either, man. I see Nick F on the internet every day, but that's as good as I can hope for. It's crazy, man. It really is. Keep cat, let parrot fly. We talking about Suzuki or somebody else now? As far as amounts, I can't make that decision for you. However much you want something. Oh, you're talking about Johnny Quest there. I gotcha. DYM is on a lot of exchanges, also on Crow. Giovanni, let's look at DYM. Dimension. He just mentioned it, and I done forgot about it. So let's look at DYM, and we're going to keep refresh. Hey, Dark Bro, are they going to alert you? Because I will say this, guys, and I don't want to manipulate the price in any way either. But when people go to see this, okay, one good thing if Honorarium does get listed today is that it's already got an 18% gain over the last 24 hours. So if they even come out to Dex Tools here and see this price action, you know, they're going to be like, well, you know what? That's a decent graph, man. It's getting ready to break through this resistance right here. This is strong. So maybe if a couple people go in and buy or whatever, and they're not going to have their chart marked up like I am. They're not going to really know this is sending trend line, this channel right off the bat. But they're going to say, dude, it's on a strong little move right here. It really is going to be on a strong move if it breaks through this level right here. But they're going to be excited about this. Okay, they're going to see a nice 18% gain as it's moving higher. And I'm not going to tell you to go in and buy or anything. But even these little $7 buys, $1.79 buy, $3 buy, dude, if this page is filled up with buys down here, if the price action is 18, 20, 30, 40% higher over the last 24 hours, people are going to get excited about that, man, because they're going to be comparing it to down 30% over the last 24 hours, down 30% over the last 24 hours. They're going to be comparing it to that. Now, volume will look ridiculously low on here, and that's one thing that I'm not concerned about, but if they're looking at volume and they see $1,000 in volume, I don't know if they're going to think anything of that or not, but it's stuff that they will be looking at, okay? It's stuff that they will be looking at, so hopefully if they look at it, they jump in and they make some money. You guys, like I say, it is your decision, man. But if the bros hold and a new flood of buyers starts flooding in, you're going to see some price gains. The thing is, I mean, you just got to be, they might dump back off. Let's see. Hi, I hope you're fun. I can't buy Sponge V2. Do you have the same problem? No, so Mill, what is it saying that you can't buy Sponge V2? What is it saying for you, man? Where's Gary video on the how-to for honorarium? Gary, oh, Dimension. I'm pulling it up, I promise you. And then I'm gonna read Patrick. Right there. Got it. Patrick Pitt! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, my man. Loving it. Today is going to be a good day. Wow, Luna Classic going up big. Terra Luna Classic is 12,500 points per coin. I'm just going to go right back to it. 12,500 points per coin. It's back down a little bit over the last 24 hours. But yes, you are right, man. Has had a nice little rally over the last couple of days here, taking it from that 11,000 point per coin to 14,000 points per coin, back down to 12,000 points per coin. So Terra Luna Classic does look pretty strong. And now setting up support lines at 12,500 as opposed to resistance lines at 12,500. Dimension, we got ourselves a layer 1 blockchain on the Osmosis network here. Dimension. All right, it has been out for roughly a little less than a month now. And it has gone from, dang man, it would have been a nice little spike down there at $3 to grab into. But the real volume came here. And I imagine this is the real volume when it got listed on Crypto.com. Binance maybe. All right, probably Binance there. Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Gate, Osmosis, Binance, Kraken. Yeah, it is all over the place. Mexi, BitGet, Hotcoin, Bitmart, LBank. These guys are going strong on layer 1 blockchain, or on tier 1 or top tier exchanges. Tier 1 exchanges, a 64% total gain, $1.1 billion market cap. Dimension actually is looking very good there, Giovanni. Question is, Giovanni, did we buy some? What are we doing, man? What are we doing? Probably get an email. Dark Bro, you got to blow it up in the Discord if you get an email, man. You got to let us know. I'm probably not going to be watching the, and I know that I know Friday night is going to be the first 24-hour period, so it absolutely could come by Saturday. But I'm probably going to be helping my brother either this afternoon, this evening, and so on. So if I'm not available to keep checking charts, man, I want some notifications on the phone so I can keep my eye on honorarium and see what's going on there. I want to see, Clay, how a small coin start to become bigger than Shiba Inu. A small coin, Baby Bonk, have more activities than Shib. They have listing, games, projects, partnerships, etc. Manager. Yeah, you know what? Shiba Inu coin was also very small. When you're looking at Shib back in 2021 versus, a Baby Bonk right now, Baby Bonk's growth potential is crazy. And any little move can trigger, any little development can trigger a 100-200% increase in price. But once you reach the multi-billion-dollar status, dude, it's much more difficult to move in price action. All right, Baby Bonk. I'm not sure which one you're talking about here. Maybe this one. Baby Bonk, a little $7 million market cap. But you're right, dude. Any little move or any little development can absolutely make a huge change in Baby Bonk being at a $7 million market cap. Whereas Shiba Inu coin, man, Shiba Inu coin could sign a deal with Walmart and it still wouldn't move in price. So, yeah, those are the things you got to worry about when you're comparing huge coins to tiny little coins. Bender, Pal AI. Pal AI. Golly bum, dude. It just keeps ripping. $213 million market cap, up another 26% today. Dude, Pal AI going from 4 zeros and a 4. Oh my gosh, dude. 4 zeros and a 4 is like 4 times the price of Shiba Inu coin, right? Shib's at 5 zeros and an 8? Or no, Shib's at 4 zeros and a 1. Shib's at 1,000 points per coin, right? Yeah, dude. Yeah. I mean, you're talking lows here. of Shiba Inu coin prices. Ripping to 27 cents, dude. Oh my goodness. Dude, I don't know why people even sell cryptocurrencies. It is ridiculous the amount of gains that you can see in these stupid coins if you just hold them. I mean, look at this, man. Pal AI going from ridiculous nothing to 27 cents a coin. Imagine if Shib hit 27 cents a coin. That's basically what you're saying here with the prices on Pal AI. Oh no, I'll be Moji. I plan on doing an afternoon live, man. I do plan on doing an afternoon live. So I just might be helping. I don't know if he's gonna go over, if he's actually in the office today or if he's working from home, or what he's gonna do. But I don't know if he plans on doing anything on his lunch break, or if he's just gonna be going over there this evening or what. But yeah, dude, I think he's getting ready to move here pretty soon. We got the bathroom downstairs is basically the only thing that needs finished. We leveled out the floor last night. Everything's supposed to be dry by today. If it is, bathroom floor is going to be going in, and I would say bathroom floor done today. As long as everything's dry. And if everything's dry, man, I would say today or tomorrow that bathroom will probably be done. And I don't know what else he would want to be doing after that. So, I mean, theoretically, move-in date could be next week, but he might come up with something else to do. You never know, man. Terra Luna's on Coinbase now. Is that new? Matic Dance, are you looking on Coinbase or are you looking on Coinbase Wallet? Because there is a difference. Smog made it to 9.5 cents earlier this week. Dude, I was watching Smog run. The good thing is I still own my Smog, right? I'm excited about Smog, man. You know, it's when they run like this, you wish you would have bought more, you wish you would have done all that, but Smog is looking very strong. And I'm going to be honest with you, okay? I think it's because they have such a high marketing budget. I think it's because they're getting their name out there everywhere with 50% of their allocation or 50% of their funds allocated towards marketing. I think that they were able to amass 21,000 holders because of that marketing. So I do think that that's absolutely awesome, man. Another one, I want to bring this to you guys' attention. I didn't pull the trigger on it last night, but if this one does come down just a little bit more, I'm ready to add to this one as well. One thing I like about this, okay, it is, and I will be, if it hits this area right here, I'm going to be adding this to my portfolio. Last night, there was like a $4,000 sale that dropped the price pretty significantly. So I don't know if there's another large sale. You're probably going to be coming back down to this level right here at, what is it, 4 zeros and a 1. Almost 4 zeros and a 2, 4 zeros and like a 1.7. I will be adding in that position, and I will probably dollar cost average down. One of the things I like about this token right here is, and I don't know if it's going to pull it up, this guy is active on Twitter, okay? And I want to throw this disclaimer out there. YouTube, I'm just looking at a coin right now. Calm down. Anybody else in the chat, we're just looking at a coin right now. But one of the things that I do like is this guy is active on Twitter. Okay, latest post 18 hours, retweeting 18 hours ago, posting 18 hours ago, posting a couple days ago. So this guy is very active on Twitter, trying to get his coin known. He's got 4,000 followers, which is excellent, right? I see a lot of the other coins that have died out, and their Twitter activity just stopped, or X. Their X activity just stops. Pinky is one of them. You remember Mr. Beast's Pinky dog? Pinky, no longer active. And that's not a good sign. Now, there's some other ones. There's some other coins on Solana. And I don't know if these coins are going to be able to break out or not, but I think it is this one. Is it this one? Okay. This guy's got a tiny little coin here. This guy's got a tiny little coin here, okay? And he has stair-stepped his way up a couple times with some decent buys. His coin's actually smaller than Honorarium. He's got more than the liquidity pool, but his coin is smaller than Honorarium. He's got 385 holders right now, which is not bad. I believe the other one that we just looked at, what did it have? 3,000 holders, okay? So 3,000 holders is a decent amount of holders. But this dude right here, also active on Twitter, but he's only got, this is his backup account, he's only got a couple hundred followers here, okay? He's only got a couple hundred followers. So if some of these projects actually begin to gain attention and attract people, like if one of this dude's posts just happens to go viral, as all of the election stuff heats up, I mean, these tiny little coins, you could see something happen from it. So just keep that in mind, guys. Hey, Clay, what are your thoughts on Lunk projection? Matt, are we talking about price projections, price predictions, or what are we talking about there? Thank you, everybody. Chris, what's going on, man? Honorarium and the bros just helped me navigate to buy my first Honorarium. Let's go to the moon, Chris. Yes, man. Chris probably driving the price of Honorarium up there. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. HRM. Honorarium, 1531, maybe. That's what I'm talking about. The gains just keep on gaining. Very good, Chris. Maybe in Europe only. Matic Dance, it's possible, man. It's possible. Good afternoon to you, JB. Hopefully you're having a great day today. I'm joining UK Space Force. They got more chance of going to the moon than my money does. Ooh, Night Cow, man. You're probably right on that. I'm just kidding. Night Cow, all of your money, all of your investments, every coin that you got is going to rip. And you're going to be doing very well, Night Cow. $69 on Shibarium, bro. 69 coin on Shibarium. Real boss, man. Real boss, man. Get supporting the Shibarium projects. Let's go. Is there a 69 coin? Why you guys always got to come up with these names here? 69 coin. Shibarium. 69 bone? This one? I mean, it's not a bad graph, but dude. 3,000 locked in the liquidity. I like that it's locked, okay. It's a small amount in the liquidity pool. $158,000. Nope. That's Honorarium. $15,000 market cap. It is tiny, but what do we got here, man? Well, we don't want you modifying the tax on anybody, and scam risk is detected. You got to worry about that, dude. You got to figure that out right there. I mean, that's the stuff that nobody wants to see. So if you're modifying the tax, people are going to get a little worried about that. We got ourselves a King Cow Pika, if you're out there. We got ourselves a King Cow for Queen Pika. Pika, if you're out there, you got a King Cow from JB. JB, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I do appreciate it. And real boss, man, listen, if that, I don't know if that's your coin or not, but if it does have a modifiable tax, that is something that people are going to be worried about because they don't come out there. They don't look at the websites. They don't go everywhere. They don't go and do all of their due diligence like they should. They're simply going to see, ooh, no, big red cross out. Don't buy that. Big red thing? No, no, no. We don't want it. And, then it's going to stop them from getting into it. But, all right, Ryoshi token out here. Ryoshi token. Actually, Ryoshi token's been out for quite a while on Shibarium. 1,390, sorry, holders. $14,000 in volume. Not too bad. Mickey coin. Mickey Boat, $8,000 in volume. All right. Spunk, what do we got going on there? 52 holders, $193 in volume, but it's been out for quite a while. Man, low volume on Shibarium, isn't it? It's very low volume on Shibarium. But yeah, guys, I'm looking at this one. If this one does continue to come down a little bit today, especially if it comes down to this red line right here, I'm gonna be buying. What the heck? I'm gonna be buying into this one. This one here, Peepo. Dude, this one's been trending. I want to see where this one's at today. No tax modification, 6.9 tax. So it. Quite possibly. All right, well, Real Boss Man, then. If that's what they're doing, that's a little weird. But yeah, I can understand that. Dex Tools isn't always correct, right? We've noticed that with Honorarium as well. I'm dealing with updating them and using them for purchase information. One thing I've learned, these token sniffers are far from reliable. Speaking from... Yeah, exactly. So, Real Boss Man, that is... I mean, that's something that I would look at getting adjusted if you can, though. Because if you're going out there, man, the first thing people see, if they see a big red X across the screen, you know, they're not going to jump into it any further, and that could be causing some of the stagnation in price there. Is it on CoinMarketCap? Not yet, Pudgy. It is not on CoinMarketCap yet, man. Pal is just, this is phenomenal, dude. 4 zeros and a 4. Could you just imagine riding it from Shiba Inu coin prices to 27 stinking cents, man? I mean, zero volume back here, but could you imagine being the dude that bought $360 worth in this price range? Holy smokes. Looking at cryptocurrencies recently added on CoinMarketCap. The most recent addition is 9 hours ago, and that is Sora. Sora's actually doing some crazy volume there with $33 million being traded. Just added today onto CoinMarketCap here. But Sora, $11 million market cap with $33 million in volume. Smokes, dude. I mean, it seems a little low to me. $11 million market cap with $30 million in volume. But that's crazy. And then this one, Arbius, $576 million market cap. That's a huge one that just got added here. This one's on my watch list. If this dumps back off down to nothing, I might add this one too, just to see if it takes off like Dog Whiff Hat did. But yeah, Pudgy, it's as far as Honorarium getting listed on CoinMarketCap, not yet, man. Not yet. Sitting Sora, Arbius, Dog in Wata, Robin the Hood, Shib with Hat, Stride Staked Osmo, Stride Staked DYDX, Stride Staked Celestia. And then, of course, where we were looking yesterday was CZ Alana. Like CZ Lana. You get some Poodle? Somewhat. Honorarium. I've had some. Your boy is in, man. Your boy is in. Do you think Lunk can get to a $30 billion market cap? Matt, yes. Now, let me explain. Okay? One of two ways. Just utter meme coin rally. If people finally embrace it as a meme coin. Okay, because look, Terra Luna Classic is not going to be easy to revitalize, and I truly believe that the current developer set that Terra Luna Classic has is not going to revitalize the blockchain. I don't think even think they want to. I think that they're just committed to making paychecks. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be easier to get there as a meme coin. Now, dude, $30 billion as a meme coin is still not easy. The only reason I say yes is because Dogecoin and Shib did it. Okay? All of these other meme coins rip up to a $1.5, $1.7 billion market cap and start to tank back down. So, I say yes because it's been done before, but it's only been done by 2 meme coins. And of course, yes, if it does revitalize its ecosystem, but I actually think it's going to be easier for a meme coin to get there than the current developers to get it there. So that's kind of my thought process on it. Yes, but certainly not easy. Clay, yesterday you were saying what is considered a Shiba Inu whale. Did you say $1 billion? So Giovanni, in my opinion, yes, a retail Shiba Inu coin whale would probably be somebody who has $1 billion plus. If you're talking like analytics platforms, they say whales are anybody making over $100,000 transactions. So, I mean, dude, I understand, right? The retail investor out there is not going to be doing $100,000 plus transactions. So that's going to eliminate basically everybody in the retail status. So I would say, yeah, dude, a retail whale in Shib would be somebody with $1 billion plus. The analytics, like Into the Block platform and stuff, they recognize anybody as a whale with 10 billion plus Shiba Inu coin being transacted. So that's the way they look at it. That's kind of the way that I look at it, man. Dog with Hat seems to be a bit up and down. Yeah, Dog with Hat's like 40 cents, man. Dog with Hat was actually doing very well over the last couple of days. It is also on my watch list, but kind of just for fun. I'm definitely not buying it in the current price range at all, man. Now, if it wants to go back down to a penny or something dumb, then at that point, sure, I'll jump in, knowing it's been at 40 cents. But these are the major support levels, and now we can add a couple more if you would like. But you've got that support level right there, and you've got that support level right there. So Dog with Hat, man, these are its support levels, but it has actually had a very nice trend line of higher lows being hit as well. So you've got a very, very nice trend line right here that could be setting up in terms of higher lows being hit for Dog with Hat. So keep that on your mind. If it pulls back to this area, you might see a little support. If it falls through, I don't know why Dex Tools does this. If it falls through, you can see support on this ascending trend line. If it falls through, you got your horizontal line at about 17 cents. Falls through that, 7 cents. Falls through that, you're back down to nothing. And then you definitely got to get in at that level, man. If it goes back down to nothing, you got to get in for sure. Honorarium will be a yo-yo on CoinMarketCap for a while. Scalpers everywhere. And Moji, you're right. One thing that I hope it does, okay, and I don't know if it will, but it would be very, very nice if it did attract some scalpers. If they came in, they bought, they sold, they bought, they sold, and they drove the volume through the roof. Because if the volume goes through the roof, not only can it start trending on CoinMarketCap, it could also trend on Dex Tools as well. And then it's just going to feed into the volume. And then, dude, the more and more and more people that jump in, the more and more people that drive it higher, lower, it's going to be more enticing. So it could really get interesting if CoinMarketCap does bring in some volume. T-Pad hit all-time highs earlier today, but I sold too early. Traded it for MAGA. But I did buy DYM last night. I have to be more patient. Giovanni, dude. Some of these coins, and this is kind of a strategy that I think the cryptocurrency world has taught a lot of people. Okay? A lot of these brand new coins, they go up, they go down, and they never recover. So if you make a gain, yes, get out. At least take your initial investment out. But from there, some of these coins, dude, like PAL-AI, some of these coins, they just go up, and they go up ridiculous heights. 4 zeros and a 4 to 27 cents is life-changing money. I'm not talking just $1 million. I'm talking like taking $1 to $1 million there. So yeah, man. Leave something in it, right? Leave something in it. Even if it's a small amount, man. At least you can say you're still in it, and at least you can say you're still riding it at that point. But at the same time, so many stinking coins fail that it almost guarantees that you should take your money if you are making. If you're in profit, you should just try and take your initial investment out. What was the market cap of that token? Never heard of it. Bro, how is Dog with Water on CoinMarketCap? Honorarium, they probably paid, man. They probably paid to be listed on CoinMarketCap. That's my best guess, dude. Dog in water. Dog in water. 421 holders, tiny little $35,000 market cap. See, this is what they did, man. This is what they did. They probably got their CoinMarketCap listing at the same time that they went live on Dex Tools. And this is the hourly chart, dude. Okay? Ripping up. They get in nice and early. Fair launch mob. Never mind. They get in nice and early. Down here at 4 zeros and a 1. They rip all the way up to 3 zeros and a 9. Okay, essentially 100xing. And then kaboom! Drops right back down to nothing, dude. Drops right back down to nothing. This huge candle right here was on a $147,000 sale. Dude, this hour with $147,000 in volume and a massive decline. I mean, dude, it was probably the guys that got in back here. It was probably the team. And then ripping everybody lower. So, Dog with Wada sitting down here at like 4 zeros and a 3 right now. I mean, with this little blip right here, trying to hang on for dear life. But you never know with a coin like this, man. You got a bot coming in here and trading dollar amounts. You got a bot coming in there and trading dollar amounts on Dog in Wata. And one of the reasons Dog in Wata exists is because Dog in Fire exists. And it is down big time over the last couple of days as well. This one's on my watch list. I have not bought into it. It may be dying out. But, yeah, dude, this one had a beautiful rally. They took it up to 2 zeros and a 4. And it's currently sitting at 3 zeros and a 1. So, dude, you're looking at 40, 50x gains from these current levels if it decides to rip back up. So, I don't know if Dog on Fire or Dog in Fire is going to turn into anything. Yeah, that's. I think they may have deleted their Twitter account, dude. I don't know. I think they may have deleted their Twitter account there. So that's not too good of a look for Dog and Fire. And also, I saw some people complaining on CoinMarketCap about Dog and Fire, which I don't know if they're legitimate complaints or not, but. Big time, right here, big time rug pull. A Dog and Fire could have made history, but the developers are dishonest and inexperienced. Stay away from this. I just lost a huge investment trusting this crap hole project. They deleted the Twitter account. Yeah. So, bearish on this scam. A lot of people very upset about Dog and Fire. Even though it did, dude, it did do crazy well, man. It did do crazy well. 40 plus Xing to get to those highs. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. Instead of sending it to Honorarium's dead wallet, I am donating it to Clay. Which means I'm probably going to have to add some more Honorarium. Right? Which means I'm probably going to have to add some more Honorarium to my portfolio ahead of the CoinMarketCap listing. Roulette wheel. Let's make it happen. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, don't be burning your Honorarium ahead of the CoinMarketCap listing, all right? Let the transactional volume do the burning during the CoinMarketCap listing. I mean, dude, if there's tens of thousands of dollars traded, okay, and 2% is getting burned, you're going to see a lot of Honorarium being burned very, very quickly. So, and a lot of Honorarium going back into the liquidity pool, making it even stronger. So think about that. You got those two taxes working for you on each Honorarium transaction. So the buys, the sells, the buy, the sells coming in. Even if Honorarium ends up being about the same price as it is right now, following all of the CoinMarketCap volatility, if it's there, then it's still a win, man, because you're going to have more burns and you're going to have a stronger liquidity pool because of it. But I don't just buy cryptos. I actually do research and see the potential. I see what they're doing, but I sometimes just don't have the patience, and then it goes up. Giovanni, yeah, man, no, I completely understand not having the patience, too, especially because I've seen so many projects fail. I've seen so many of these tiny little new coins, give up. Dog and Fire is one of them right here, man. They deleted their stinking Twitter account. So, yeah, dude, it just happens all the time. And it leads to a little bit of a bias, an impatient bias in people. Let's see. So, according to you, Clay, I'm Giovanni, yes, I would consider you, if you got a billion Shiba Inu coin, I would consider you a Shiba Inu coin retail whale. Okay, retail whale. Clearly, there are much bigger players out there, and people who do trade hundreds of thousands of dollars at a time. But these guys aren't really retail, man. You are definitely a retail whale in my book in terms of Shib, Giovanni. Most whales are considered to have a billion or more, but still, even a couple 100 million Shib is impressive too. Chris, it is, man. You know, I know a lot of people are coming from a lot of different backgrounds, right? So if you've got $1,000 saved up and you got $100 invested, dude, that's essentially whale status to you. Right, 10% of your savings invested like that's whale status, man, and that's respectable. If you've got a $1 million and you've got $100 invested, well, come on, man, you don't have anything at stake there. I'm not saying that's going to be whale status for you. So everybody's coming from different backgrounds. Everybody's coming from kind of different walks. So, yes, to you, it could be whale status. To somebody else, it might not be. Yes, obligated to buy honorarium. Kalito, man, yeah, you need at least 10 billion SHIB to be considered a whale, unless SHIB 10X is the current price. Roulette wheel, yeah, that's what we were saying. So, that's why I say retail status, a billion, but it's like into the block analytics and stuff like that. They consider 10 billion plus SHIB transactions to be whale status. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm just now noticing this. You got Smog. Smog is literally advertising on CoinMarketCap right here. So one of the reasons Smog is continuing to grow is because they're advertising on CoinMarketCap. You can't send that to my wallet, but I'll take the eBay value of that in honorarium. I know I missed something, man. I know I missed something. Since we're feeling charitable, Moji, buy me some honorarium. Make it happen, dude. Make it. How about an 82 Big D? Well, either way. Can't send that to my wallet, but I'll take the eBay value of that in honorarium. Pudgy, there you go, man. Honorarium. Thank you very much for the super chat. Load the boat. You have the advantage right now. And you really do, guys. You really do. You know, if you're in this live stream, you know that honorarium is going to get listed on CoinMarketCap. You can theoretically get in before honorarium gets listed on CoinMarketCap. And that's not to say that once it does, it's going to rip up higher or anything. But, you know, a lot of these coins that get listed here, they do see an increase in volume. And that's what I hope to see for honorarium. I hope people go out there, they see it listed, they see a nice 15, 20, 30% 24-hour gain. They decide to jump in, drive that gain even higher. And I hope that honorarium's sitting on $1 million plus market cap when everything settles down and the CoinMarketCap listing is kind of old news at that point. I understand with meme coins, but I do research with actual projects. I will normally not spend money on meme coins because they tend to fail. Yeah, not just tend to, man. I would say it's 99.999% of the meme coins are here today, gone tomorrow. And here today, the today leads to a very lucrative investment if you're in and you're out. The gone tomorrow means that anybody who didn't get out today is most likely going to be wiped out tomorrow, unless, of course, that meme coin has some sort of a second wind or second life. Klebro, Moji, check it out, or check it. Yeah, let's see where Moji's at right now. Let's see what Moji's doing here. Did he fail us all? Morgan Solana, where is... Ooh, Moji, down 37% today. Oops. Bring that bad boy back here. There. Moji, man. Moji, back down to an $18,000 market cap. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 1 to 8. Way up here, dude. 50 plus X gains to get back up to these all-time highs. Mog coin. I don't know, man. Mog might not have the smog. 1,000 holders and $60,000 over the last 24 hours, which is actually not bad. But Moji, man, on the hourly, down, 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 down. Can't go much lower than $18,000 market cap. But let's see if they got a Twitter account. Be a mogger or get mogged. Okay, maybe. Maybe. Well, the good news is, even though this coin is getting, destroyed right now, this dude is still very active on Twitter, on X, okay? He's got 558 followers, still very small. Mogged back down to kind of nothing right now, $18,000 market cap. I'd like to see some 50x gains to get it back up to those levels, but seems to have steadied out way, way, way down in the tiny little $1,800 space. Holders, though. Holders sitting at 1,000. That's a decent amount of holders, though. I mean, it truly is, and it's got 100% community trust right here. So I like the fact that the dude is still just having a blast out on X, even though his coin's price is down to an $18,000 market cap right now. That's one thing that is a positive sign. How can Honorarium be sold on Uniswap also? Giovanni, I don't know, but it would also have to be on the Ethereum network, I believe. So I don't know how it gets listed on the Ethereum network as well. But in order to get it on Uniswap, I think it has to be trading on Ethereum. Colombo, everything medical related is slow. Speaking from experience. Colombo, I've had similar times with orthopedics. Darn, all the orthopedic laggers are just mine. Been here for 45 minutes. What the heck is going on with these doctors, man? These guys need to, step it up. Didn't they schedule an appointment for a reason? There's definitely going to be people who sell so quick, it's going to give you a whiplash. Yeah. A person with 600 million honorarium keeps selling. Paper hands. Paper hands. Dang it, dude. Why would somebody with 600 million honorarium be selling like that? Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop selling, man. I like the daily on honorarium. I don't really like the hourly there. Daily looks great. So this guy right here. Stop selling. 398. We only want buys on honorarium. We want it to look like a honeypot, but it's not a honeypot. What do you mean sell, dude? Nobody's selling right there. Yeah, nobody's selling right there. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's because I clicked this. Yeah. All right. Click that. It's going to show that buy. Gotcha. All right. Get off the screen. Cool. Honorarium. Tell that to the Shib whale holding trillions of Shib. Quite frankly, if we ever wish to see something like $1, nobody is going to be able to hold hundreds of millions. Tell that to the Shib whale holding trillions of Shib. Touche, my friend. Touche. Oh, wrong one, I guess. Just saw on Mexi. New listing on CoinMarketCap up 600%. Kombu. What are we looking at? I didn't even see what Kombu said. Ethereum's high fees and slow as molasses. Honorarium Schiller. Ethereum's high fee. And it really is. I mean, the fees are ridiculously high there. I think that Shib whale once owned $6 billion worth of Shib, totally forgot about Shib, and one day he woke up, checked it at $6 billion. He eventually sent it 6 different wallets. Yeah, dude. I did a couple videos on him way back in the day. The only way I think any reasonable person, okay, would make it to a stupid, I think it was $4, $5, $6 billion holding like that, is if they literally woke up, they were in a coma, They had to have been in a coma and had no idea that he was sitting on Shiba Inu coin, and then woke up from his coma and realized he had Shiba Inu coin and something happened with it. No normal person, or literally, I don't think there's any person on the planet that is just going to sit on your Shiba Inu coin past $1 million, past $10 million, past 10 billion, or $100 million, past $1 billion, past 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. Like, come on, dude. Come on. I don't think any normal person would ever do that, so I do think that guy was in a coma. And that is the only way he held Shiba Inu coin that far. We can't get upset when people sell. You're going to drive yourself and everyone else crazy. It's true. Who sells $400 right before CoinMarketCap launch? No idea, man. On Honorarium, they'll be mad if they sell. And then it gets listed and they miss out. They will, dude. They will. Every sell is a burn. And every sell is, is it the sell tax that's the burn? Or the sell tax that goes back to the liquidity pool? Or is it a portion of both? Let's see. Oh, we can get upset. Just won't do any good to be upset. There you go, Kombu. I'm setting a realistic expectation for the time being. Very good. Hey, you won't see me complain if that happens for sure. For sure, man. Just bought $2 worth of MOG. And it claims it shot the price up 99.9% or 99.5% according to Radium. There's no way $2 would have jumped up there's no way it would have jumped that up that far. Yeah. I don't know if you actually bought it or if it went through, but dude, with $8,000 in the liquidity pool, if you're buying the correct one here, I don't think it would have shot it up that far. Let's make sure you're not buying like one with $2 in the liquidity pool or something. Dude, Smog is still looking good. 8.5 cents. You didn't buy this one, did you? I mean, if you tried to buy this one with $34 in the liquidity pool, that one probably would jump it up 99%. Nah, that's on Meteora, whatever Meteora is. I don't even know what pool that is. So, yeah, I don't know if you're buying the right one or not, but if you are, sweet. It wouldn't have bought 8,448. Man, that seems legit at this price point here. I don't see that transaction though. I don't see 8,000 tokens anywhere here. I don't know. I don't see that transaction anywhere. I don't know which one it is. Bigable! Not sure which one it is, man. Moji, check out the Discord supporters chat. Tomahawk for Poodle. Let's get it. Meteor's Liquidity Pool album. Okay, yeah, JB, man. I haven't seen it before. Kobo, that's not what Clay showed. I missed something, guys. Very sorry. Honorarium Schiller. Thank you very much for the super chat. Not financial advice. Sell Shib, buy Honorarium. Honorarium video when it hits CoinMarketCap. Honorarium Schiller. I don't know, man. I really don't know if I'll do a video on it when it hits CoinMarketCap or not. I was thinking about posting a video on TikTok or something. when it hits CoinMarketCap, or maybe doing a short or something like that. But I'm not going to make any promises on that. I don't have one ready or anything to do it. But Honorarium Schiller, thank you very much for the super chat. I do absolutely appreciate it. And it's 1 o'clock, man. 1 o'clock right now. You know what that means. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back this afternoon. Make sure to keep your eyes on Honorarium there. Honorarium might be listed on CoinMarketCap before the afternoon live. We're going to have to keep our eyes on it. And, of course, we will know when it happens. Let's do these shout outs, and we'll be back a little bit later, guys. Honorarium Schiller, enjoy your afternoon. Honorarium, 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 Roulette Wheel, Honorarium, Biggable, see you later. Honorarium, Moji, have a great one. We've got Honorarium, Kombu, Pudgy, JB, Moji, Honorarium Schiller. Thank you very much for that super chat. Kombu, man, have a great afternoon. Moji, see you later. JB, Trudukel, peace out to you, man. Enjoy your afternoon. Honorarium, thank you for the Streamlabs. He says, this is a call out to Pika. Please come back to us. We miss you. It is true, Pika. I don't know if you're listening right now, if you've been MIA, but still listening in the chat or not. But Pika Power, we do miss you, and we do hope you come back, even if it's just to listen and hang out and not be as active in the chat. Thank you very much for everything, and we do hope. Honorarium is right on that. We do hope that Pika does come back. Honorarium Schiller, enjoy your afternoon, man. Kombu, see you later. Moji, JB, Trudukel, see you later. Kombu, have a great one. Frank, man, see you later. Markel, peace out. Johnny Quest, see you later. Bender, Kenneth, later to you. Moji, Honorarium, J-Bones, later to you as well. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.